Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I'm gonna talk about introduction. So biometric measure of individual unique physical characteristic or behavior trait that are typically used in automated recognition technology to verify personal identity. Physical characteristic used include fingerprints, faces, retinas, and voice pattern. Biometric authentication may be used to manage an individual access to resources such as buildings, room, computer, and phone. So right now I'm gonna talk about historical milestone of this technology. In 1979, Alfonso Bertillon introduced signalétique in Paris. In 1880, the Parisian police force adopted signalétique. In 1892, Francis Galton developed a fingerprint classification system. In 1903, New York State Prison began using fingerprint to identify incarcerated individuals. In 1924, the FBI established an identification division to store fingerprint record. In 1936, Frank Birch suggests using iris pattern as biometric data. In 1952, Bell Labs designed Audrey, the first rudimentary speech recognition system. In 1916, Woodrow, or we call it Woody, Bledsoe semi-automates facial recognition. And after that, in 1970, speech recognition systems are further developed with the funding from a US Department of Defense. In 1985, David Sitlaukas developed a hand geometry recognition system, and Joseph Rice developed a vascular pattern recognition. In 1990, the company Dragon released the first voice recognition system for consumer. In 1994, John Dogman developed an iris recognition system. And in 2013, Apple first introduced Touch ID for the new iPhone 5S. And after that, in 2017, Apple introduced Touch Face ID for the new iPhone X.
Relation to operating system security. Biometric templates are binary files and encompass unique traits of an individual's biometric data. Unreadable without the right algorithm, these are several storage-based strategies for biometric data that organizations can employ. These include on-device storage. Biometric data is often stored on end-user devices like smartphones with fingerprint sensors, example Apple's Secure Enclave, or biometric bank cards. This storage method uses a separate chip on the device, ensuring data is not accessible through the network. While it limits organizational control over the data, it enhances security by avoiding centralized server storage of sensitive information. And also Purcell University, a hardware-based recognition system stores biometric data on dedicated hardware rather than the device itself. This enables fast user authentication by using locally stored templates without relying on external responses. Portable token. Biometric data stored on portable tokens like security cards or USB drives requires the token to be presented during authentication, while costlier due to the need for both a token and a biometric scanner. This method adds security by eliminating the need to transfer data over a network, reducing network-related vulnerabilities. Database server. When local storage is impractical, corporations may use biometric database servers for cost-effective multi-location authentication. Though more vulnerable to cyber threats, encryption during data transfer can reduce risk. Proper encryption's key management is crucial. Even if breached, biometric data is unusable without proprietary algorithm for interpretation. Distribute data storage splits encrypted biometric data between a server and a device, creating a double-back solution. This approach enhances security by requiring access to both storage points, ensuring privacy and scalability without compromising usability. And the second one is blockchain data storage. Encrypted biometric templates can be secured by dividing them into shares stored in separate locations, such as a mobile device and a server or blockchain. Blockchain, a decentralized storage system, prevents data manipulation by ensuring changes affect the entire chain, enhancing security. For banking application, biometric verification, initially popularized by smartphones, has expanded to mobile banking apps, new age ATMs, and digital first banking service. It enhanced security with features like fingerprint, Face ID, and palm vein recognition. Two-factor authentication is trained by biometric verification, such as approving payments via facial recognition. And advanced system now incorporate behavioral biometrics like typing and device interaction patterns to detect fraud proactively.
So, for biometric technology in airport security, Atlanta's Terminal F was the first in the US to use a biometric terminal. Delta passenger can use facial recognition for check-in, dropping bags, security and boarding. This technology, called NEC, Neo Face Express, works quickly and makes travel easy. It changed airports and could soon be used in the other industry too. For smart security, we choose smartphone. Biometric technology uses different ways to protect data. Smartphone save information on the device to avoid server hacks. Hardware system give fast local access. Portable tokens add security but cost more. Centralized database need a strong password, while splitting data between device and server make it safer. Blockchains keep data secure by using shared storage. This method balances safety, easy of use, and privacy.